This short video is one in a series of short videos created to assist you with using the Florida Department of Education's new certification system, Versa. Select any of the titles for assistance with a particular online certification video session. The Florida Department of Education launched its new Educator certification system, Versa, on November 20th, 2017. Educators will use Versa to apply online for the addition of an endorsement to their certificate, additional of a subject to their certificate, renewal of a professional certificate, upgraded from a Florida Educator temporary certificate to a Florida Educator professional certificate, and retrieve documents issued after January 1st, 2017. All certificate holders must first create a new online user account for access to Versa. Creating a new user account is also called onboarding. I will help you create an account or onboard in Versa. Let's get started. First, open Internet Explorer and type the following IP address in the address bar: https://flcertify.fldoe.org/datamart/login.do and select Enter on your computer's keyboard. I will give you a moment to type the web address in the address bar. Once you have typed the address in the address bar, press Enter on your keyboard. You will be redirected to the main sign-in page. Select Begin Here for setup. Type your first name, middle name or middle initial, and your last name. Next, type an email address and confirm the email address by typing it a second time. It is highly recommended that you use your personal email address. Notice, my cursor did not move. I am using the Tab key on the keyboard to move from one field to the next field. I can also use the mouse. Select Use email address as user ID if you wish. Sometimes, using an email address as the user ID keeps registering simple. Using the drop-down arrow, select a security question. Next, select an answer to the security question you selected. Finally, select Yes for email communications. The Florida Department of Education will now issue all correspondence via email. Remember, always check your email's junk mail, spam, or clutter mailbox for communications from the Florida Department of Education. After clicking Next, you will preview your registration details. Click Save to continue the registration process if the registration details are correct. Click Edit if you must correct any of the entries displayed. You will receive a confirmation email from the Florida Department of Education at the email address you provided that will include a temporary password. Once you receive your Florida Department of Education email containing your temporary password, click Return to be redirected to the login page. You will then have to log in using the user ID that you created and the temporary password that was emailed to you. Once you have logged into Versa using your temporary password, you will be prompted to change your password. Enter the temporary password sent to you via email from the Florida Department of Education as the old password, and then enter your new password, and confirm the new password by typing it a second time. You must click Save to proceed to initial onboarding. You will be directed to the following screen. Your last name is automatically populated. Do not make any updates to the name shown in the last name field. If your name has changed since you last applied, you must update that information in an application. You must make sure to enter your Social Security number and date of birth. Click Next to continue. After you click Next, the system will search for existing licenses. You will see one of the following screens. You will see Initial Onboarding, No Matching License Found, if the system was not able to match the information you entered to a file in the Florida Department of Education's system. Click Next to continue on to the Quick Start menu to view the information on file and/or begin a new application. Or you will see Initial Onboarding Matching License Results if your information is found. Your name will be listed, your license types will be shown, as will your license status and your license number. Select I confirm, and then click Next. If you have never been issued a license and only held an official statement of status of eligibility, the license number will not be displayed. Only your name and indiv/org number will be displayed along with the license type that you applied for. After you have completed the onboarding process, you will be routed to the Quick Start menu. If you see Initial Onboarding No Matching License Found, your Quick Start menu will look like this. If you see Initial Onboarding Matching License Results and confirm the information, your Quick Start menu will be similar to the screen below. The page will show each license type. Remember, creating an account or onboarding is completed only once. If you create multiple accounts, you must contact the Florida Department of Education for assistance. For problems with the application or program, you must contact the Florida Department of Education Technical Assistance using the following link. The Florida Department of Education staff will respond to emails addressing questions regarding only technical difficulties with Educator certification websites. Questions regarding your specific application status or the general certification process must be directed to the Florida Department of Education contacts at the address below or 1-800-445-6739. Due to the extremely high volume of email inquiries and phone calls, the Florida Department of Education staff will respond to your inquiry as quickly as current resources allow, unless a review of your file indicates that your question has already been addressed.